This video demonstrates how to manage folder permissions within Digs to control access to content at the workspace and project levels. In this video, we'll explain how to restrict folder access, share with specific users, and maintain security across projects. Folder permissions can be used to limit access so that only certain users or teams can see content within specific folders in Digs. Digs enables you to control access to content at the workspace level and at the project level on a folder-by-folder basis. In Digs, file permissions are managed primarily through folder access controls, which apply to all documents and subfolders within those folders. This ensures that sensitive documents stay private while allowing collaboration where needed. By combining user roles and folder-level permissions, you can control who sees what at every level. For example, your internal team sees all project-related files. Your trades see only the files needed for their scope of work. And homeowners see only finalized files that you choose to share with them at handoff. This keeps projects secure, organized, and ensures that everyone has access to the right information. Digs makes it easy to manage folder permissions within your workspace or individual projects. Within projects, folders are only shared with project members, and roles like manager or collaborator determine their access level. You must be a paid workspace user to have access to files at the company or workspace level. This is useful for restricting access to sensitive or proprietary documents from external users. To view and adjust existing folder permissions, simply click the three dots next to a folder and select Manage Access. To restrict access to a folder, deselect Share with Everyone, then simply add the emails of the individuals who should have access to the content within that folder. If you deselect Share with Everyone but do not enter an email address, the folder will remain private and only visible to you. When creating a new folder, you will have the option to either share with everyone or limit access to specific users by email. Remember, folder permissions within Digs apply to all files and subfolders inside it. For example, to restrict access to an individual file, you need to place it inside a private folder and limit that folder's access only to the users you select. It's also worth noting how folder permissions behave in project templates. When you set permissions in a template project, either for the project itself or for specific folders and files, those permissions carry over. When you duplicate the template to create a new project, this means your file access structure, collaborator visibility, and homeowner handoff settings can all be standardized across every project you launch from the template. Digs permissions give you control at every level: users, folders, files, and project templates, so you can maintain security, clarity, and smooth collaboration across all of your projects. For further learning, visit support.digs.com.